race.
It's more to Jan Tom, baby. Hey, Braxton. Hey, Ryder, do you want to race? Sure. He'll never stand a chance against me. This is in my way. I'm so far in the lead, I don't think he'll ever catch up to me. What's that smell? It smells good. It's coming over there. Let's go.
What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter for you? My name is Enzo, and I like you. It is me, the chef of the Enzo. Look, I make the brownie bites. Yummy. It is like my Mamma Mia used to make. Hello, Braxton. Do you like my hat?
No, I don't like that hat.
Oh, okay. What can I do for you?
I smell some good. It smells like brownies. Do you have them?
Yes, the chef of the ends always have the good food. Uh-oh.
Brownie bites, Enzo. These look good. That smells good. What is that? These are brownie bites from Chef Enzo. Oh, can I have one? Nope, sorry, gotta go. That wasn't nice. Maybe he was in a hurry to win the race.
They didn't even pay.
Shortcut? Ooh, I have an idea. You'll never know. Shortcut. I'm okay, but it better be a shortcut. Kids, never do that in real life. Oh no, I think I'm lost. Is that Braxton? Does he need help? Great, now I'm stuck. Ready to rumble. It's a hidden trampoline. I'm gonna go on it. Great job, Braxton! Bye-bye! Thanks, Ryder! Wait! No! Get back here! Today's speech. This is Hola, ¿cómo estás? Means how are you? Oh no. I need help. Can you help me? Nope, I gotta win the race. See ya. broken, so I have plenty of time to swim. Man! I think I fixed it. Your skull. That boy's gonna get some piece of me. Ryder! Watch this! Good job, Braxton. Oh! Come back here! You fell off. Lady, why? There's a bug. Go away, bug. I'm gonna call Uber. Hey, someone's calling me. I'm late for school. Okay, I'll be right there. Bye. Okay, bye. Keep walking away. That guy is stopped and he needs a potty, so he'll be wet bag. Did you go for a ride? Yes, I'm late for school. I got you. I have to go now. I have to take this guy to school. Bye. Hey, get me. Here, that'll be $1 million. Okay. Bye. I still got $1 million. Yeah! Woo! I'm kind of blue. I'm white. Chloe! Another call? No! Oh, you won't go back to school, bud? Yeah! Okay. Here's your school. It'll be $1 million. Bye-bye. I wonder where a 3-year-old got $1 million. Uh-oh.
Have you seen my keys?
No.
I know, I'll call a car service. Hello, sir? Yeah. I know, I'm late for work. Gray. My favorite color is gray. Bye.
Gotta shine it up. Hello? Oh, you need a drive? What's your favorite color? Gray? Okay. Sure, I can make it work. I hope he doesn't mind a wet seat. I'm here.
It feels a little wet in here.
Don't worry about that. Let's go.
Okay. Get wet.
Okay. Bye. Oh, wait. We forgot to pay.
Oh, okay, how much?
$1
$1 million?
I mean $10 million.
What? $10 million? I don't have $10 million. Have a nice day, sir.
Okay, so you can pick me up from school